In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CPT codes in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to select or create the correct code so your services are set up cleanly for scheduling and billing. Start by opening your SimplePractice account and heading to Settings. From there, choose Services and Products, and then select Services. This is the area where you manage the services your practice offers, and it's where CPT codes are tied to those services for billing and documentation. Next, click the plus Add Service button. This opens a new service setup page, and you'll see a field labeled Service Code. This is where the CPT code belongs. The service code is the standardized 5-digit CPT number insurers recognize for the type of session or procedure you provide, and selecting the correct code helps prevent denials and keeps your records consistent. If the CPT code you need already exists in SimplePractice's built-in list, simply start typing the code into the service code field. For example, if you enter 90834, the system will display matching options as you type. Select the one that matches what you intend to bill. Be sure you pick the exact code you need. Even a single digit off can represent a different service. Typing steadily without extra spaces and using the current code set helps the search return the right match quickly. If your CPT code isn't listed, maybe it's a rare code or something you use for a very specific service, you can still add it. Type the code in full, review it for accuracy, and then click Add New Code. This tells SimplePractice to create a new entry for that number so you can use it going forward. Before you add a rare or custom code, it's a good idea to confirm it's valid for the current year and accepted by any payers you bill. That quick check can save time later. A few practical tips as you work. Stick to the 5-digit CPT format. Avoid duplicates by selecting from the built-in list when you see your code there, and make sure the code you select aligns with the service you intend to provide. If you operate in multiple locations or with different payers, consistency in your codes helps keep reporting clean and prevents confusion across your practice. That's the process. Navigate to Services, add a new service, and use the service code field to select an existing CPT code or create one when it's not available. With that done, your service is ready to be used in your workflow.